This is an invitation and an introduction to the Cooktown Professional Communication Workshop, which will enable you to create formal presentations quickly with minimum effort. In meetings or places where you have to deliver on-topic responses quickly, you'll be able to drive your points home so that they stick. You'll learn how to create and deliver humour, so you have the option to add some spice to your presentations. And your audiences will be impressed with your well-structured, memorable deliveries. If you have any wedding speeches, emceeing or running community events, they will be a breeze. This is what you'll take away from the Cooktown Professional Communication Workshop. It'll be held at the PCYC at May Street on Monday the 20th of July, 8:45 a.m. for the sign-up for a 9 a.m. sharp start, and we go through to 4 p.m. The workshop is high energy, interactive and entertaining. It blends the neuroscience of speaking, giving you an understanding of the driving forces which are applicable to all types of communication, with the practical application and techniques enabling you to deliver your message smoothly and memorably. I am David Burston, your facilitator, and I'm also the pitch master of the space, the Innovation Centre in Cairns. I'm a communications trainer and a TEDx coach, and I've worked with universities plus corporate, community and Indigenous groups. Places are limited. Book early online at the Eventbrite page. I look forward to catching up with you, because at Confidence Unlimited we love to create confident communicators quickly.